Hi, I'm Al McRobbie at Salig Company, and welcome to part 2 of our video on torque transducers. In the first part, we went through the 5 tabs of the TorqView 5 application, and now what I want to do is just explain a little bit about the test system that we have here in front of us. What we decided to do is we were going to try to develop more of the specifications of a particular type of motor right here, and we got a hold of 2 of them, and we're using one as a drive motor and the other as a generator. These are permanent magnet motors, DC 12 volt rated motors, and the torque transducer is interposed between them with a set of diaphragm couplings right here. The generator here is attached to a load over here, which I can switch on and off different resistances to vary the load. And here we're monitoring the current and the voltage of the driver right here through a current transducer. We're looking at both of these things on an oscilloscope. And over here we have a 1200 watt power supply that is providing the voltage and current for the drive motor right there. So that's pretty much the test system. So what are we going to do with it? We're going to determine the following on this drive motor. The first thing we're going to do is check the no load speed and current, and we're going to operate the unit at approximately half its speed, which, as you know, is where a permanent magnet DC motor develops its most power. And we're going to look at the current and the torque numbers while it's doing that. One of the things we're going to do is to determine what the stall torque is on this motor. We're going to take a look at the no load starting current, and we're going to determine torque constant, speed constant, and speed torque gradient from the information that we get from the torque transducer. And we're going to use, finally, we're going to use the oscilloscope and TorqView together to get a starting impulse torque and current value on the motor when we are running it at full load. At basically its half speed point. So we're going to actually start it up there and get an impulse reading for the torque and also for the current, and you'll see that in both the TorqView 5 and the oscilloscope screen. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go through these things in detail in the next video. So thanks for watching.